Springfield faces budget cuts as docked funds sting today. Homer notices red ink, mutters dough, vows hawk watch. In the living room, family brainstorms, Lisa organizes budgets, together. Bart tests budgets at Kwik-E-Mart, eat my shorts, happily. Homer marches to Springfield nuclear plant, wig gum snaps today dramatically. Marge worries, Lisa calculates, Bart mocks, chaos erupts everywhere. A misprinted budget cuts the town's carnival, kids panic, suddenly. Homer bats the calculator, slides under couch, shouting dough. Lisa explains budgets, Mrs. Krabappel notes lessons, grows hopeful. Springfield residents rally at town square, Homer proclaims savings. Budget committee agrees, Lisa smiles, Homer sighs, family hugs. Springfield cheers at Moe's, kids skate, credits roll happily, together.